Good morning all. So today we are going to see some questions from exercise 7.2. I hope last day you all have enjoyed what we have discussed last day. We have discussed exercise 7.1. I hope I have covered all the doubts. I have told you all that if there are some doubt, still some doubt you are not able to solve, then you all will send me WhatsApp. You all WhatsApp me that sir, please explain this question, or this is the problem I am having. Till now I haven't received any of the message, so don't do this, students. If there is any doubt, just message me. So now, as you can see, there is first question from exercise 7.2. On Saturday I have elaborated how to use section formula, what is section formula. So let us do one thing, let us recall the section formula one more time. Just look at the board, just give me a minute. Okay, now I hope it is working now. Yes, it is working now. So last day on Saturday we have seen what is section formula. So just look on the board. Just imagine there is a point A and the coordinates of point A is x1 comma y1. We are having one more point B and the coordinate of point B is x2 comma y2. There is a line which joins A and B. So as we know that two points are always collinear. In this line, they are having one more point C which lies between A and B. Let's say the coordinate of this point is x comma y. We are finding distance between A and C, and we are finding distance C and B, meaning we have found AC and we have found BC. When we are finding ratio of AC and BC, it is coming m ratio n. So I am saying it is dividing the line segment in m ratio n. Then what is value of x comma y? We have seen, just say with me, this n should be joined with x1. So let us start from 1 m with x2 plus n with x1 upon m plus n, comma. Then we will repeat the same with for y-axis, m into y2 plus n into y1 upon, say with me, m plus n, and we will close it in a bracket. So this is our formula for the point which is dividing our line segment in m ratio n, where coordinate of both the ending point of line segment is given. So now we have seen how what is the formula. So let us apply the formula for this particular question. So as you can see, they are saying find the coordinate of a point which divides the join of -1, 7. So let us say there is a point A. The coordinate of point A is -1, 7, and we are having one more point which is B, and coordinate for it is, just say with me, what is it? 4, -3. Very good. Let us join the points. So can you tell me, if I am saying -1, 7 is actually x1, y1. So can you tell me what is value of x1? Yes, it is -1. What is value of y1? Very good, it is 7. If I am saying 4, -3 is x2, y2. Okay, 4, -3 is x2, y2. So can you tell what is value of x2? It is 4. What is value of y2? Yes, after comma -3 is there and after comma y2 is there. So you can easily compare. The value of y2 will be -3. Between these 2 points, there is one more point C, and let's say the coordinate of this point is x, y. This point C is dividing the line segment in 2:3 as it is given in the question. So the ratio we are always taking m is to n. So let us say m ratio n is 2:3. So what is value of m? It is 2, and what is value of n? It is 3. Okay. So let us do one thing. Now we are going to apply, okay, don't mind my writing, please Ignore my handwriting, I am not habitual of writing here. Okay, so let us do one thing. We will apply the formula x comma y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Let us close it in a bracket. Okay, so now I am comparing it, I am not solving it directly. I am saying before comma x is there, and after before comma in right hand side we are having mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Let us put the value. The value of m, as you can see, it is 2, comma value of x2, as you can see, it is 4, plus n, it is 3. Say with me, what is value of x1? Just say with me, it is minus 1. And this negative number I will always keep in brackets so that I am not making any calculation mistake. What is value of m? 2. Value of n, it is 3. Let us solve it. 4 to the 8. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we will get 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 5. After cancelling it, we can say the value of x is 1. Just 5 divided by 5, it is 1. Similarly, we will solve for y. Value of y you can compare here. After comma y is there, and right hand side after comma we are having my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now just look, if I am putting the value of m is 2, for y1 it is 7, you can see here, for y1 it is 7, plus the value of n is 3, value of y2, as you can see, the value of y2 is minus 3, and negative value I will always keep in bracket for avoiding calculation mistake. The value of m is 2 and the value of n will be 3. Very good. Just repeat with me. 7 into 2. What is it? 14. 3 into minus 3. It is minus 9. 3 plus 2, 5. When we will solve, 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 divided by 5. Let us cancel it. We are having 1. So we are also having value of y is 1. Our coordinate is x comma y. The value of x we have got 1. The value of y we have got 1. So this is our answer. So now we have solved question number 1. If you want to note it down, I do think it is very easy. You all have already solved it. If you are having some doubt, just pause the video and note down your doubt. So I am moving on. Next one. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so now I am having question number 2. As you can see, question number 2 is saying find the coordinate of the points of trisection. Now what is meaning of trisection here? Just look, just try to think. There is a point A and there is one more point B. They are joined by a line segment. They are saying we have to find point of trisection. Trisection means we have to divide this line segment in 3 parts. Just imagine if I am having this pen, how to divide it in 3 parts. If I am making one cut between it, is it possible to divide it in 3 parts? Just look on your board. Just imagine if I am making a cut here, it will be divided in 2 parts. For dividing it in 3 parts, we need at least 2 points. So now here we have to find 2 answers that can divide the given points in 3 equal parts. That is the meaning of trisection. Meaning, let us say this is C, this is D. So trisection means we have to find point C and point D in such a way that AC should be equal to CD and it should be equal to DB. Okay, so let us do the value of A. Find the coordinate of point of trisection of line segment joining 4, minus 1. So let us say it is 4, minus 1 and point B is minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so now we are going to find value of C. Just look, for C I will find, D you have to find by yourself. The point C, just imagine if AC CD and DB all are equal. So if I am saying I need AC upon CB, the ratio, the M is to N. Just imagine I am saying AC is X, so automatically CD will be X, automatically DB will be X because all are equal. So I have to find AC upon CB. What is value of AC? Yes, you can see it is X. What is value of CB? It is having X 2 times, so it is going to be 2X. When you will cancel it, you will have 1 by 2. So the ratio which we are having or what we need is 1:2. You can compare, the value of M will be 1, the value of N will be 2. I am saying x1 comma y1 is equal to 4 comma minus 1, and let's say x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so let us apply the formula. The formula says x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Student, don't sit idle, just repeat all the things with me. You have to be very active. Okay, so what is next part of it? M y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Let us close it in bracket. That bracket is very important. So let us say what is value of x. We will compare it. Before comma it is x, before comma it is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Okay, let us solve it. What is value of m? You can see here it is 1. What is value of x2? Just compare. x2 will be minus 2, and for avoiding calculation mistake we will always keep negative number in the bracket, plus n. The value of n is 2. x1. For x1, what is value of x1? As you can see, it is 4 upon m plus n. Value of m is 1. For n it is 2. Let us solve it. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 4 into 2, it is 8 upon 2 plus 1, 3. So when we will solve, it will be 6 by 3. 3 to the 6. So the value of x is 3. Similarly for y, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Let us put the value. Value of m, it is 2. Value of y2, as you can see, value of y2, it is minus 3. So negative number we will always keep in bracket. I am repeating it again and again so that you should not forget. To avoid calculation mistake, always keep negative number in bracket. The value of n, it is 2. The value of y1 it is minus 1. So I am putting minus 1 here. Value of m, it is 1. Value of n, it is 2. Let us solve it. 2 into minus 3, it will be minus 6. 2 into minus 1, it will be minus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 6 minus 2, it is minus 8 by 3. Let us check. I have made any calculation mistake here. Minus 3 into 2. Yes, y2 is minus 3. And value of m. Yeah, I have made a calculation mistake. The value of m is 1. I have kept here 1, but by mistake I have kept 2 here. So it is 1. So minus 3 into 1 is going to be minus 3. Okay, I am overwriting here. So it will be minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Okay, please ignore some calculation mistake, it can happen. So y is equal to minus 5 by 3. So what are our desired point? The value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 5 by 3. So that is my answer for question number 2. I hope you all have understood. So now what you have to do? You will find coordinate for D. What will change? Your ratio. Now your ratio is going to be AD upon DB. So what is that ratio? The AD is going to be x plus x, which will be 2x. DB is going to be x. Now for you, m ratio n is going to be 2 ratio 1. You will take m as 2, n as 1, and you will solve the same question one more time. Then you have to find coordinate of D. What I have found, that is coordinate of C. So similarly you will solve and you will find coordinate of D. So one answer I have given, one you have to find. Okay, I hope you can find. If you are having some problem in finding the answer, just message me. Next day I will elaborate it, or next day I will meet you in the school. Okay, so let us move for next question. So let us see question number 3. Just give me 1 minute. So there is question number 3. Okay. Yes. Look, to conduct sport day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, line has been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Just look at the figure. A simple case study type question is there. It can be asked in your exam as well, but in exam they will ask some more questions in the same figure. Just look what they are saying. You have to conduct a sport day activity in your rectangular shaped school, meaning in your school there is a rectangle, your ground is in rectangular shape. So just imagine there is origin, it is my x-axis, it is my y-axis. So now let us see what they are saying. Okay, one ABCD is rectangle. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So they have said this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. So distance between two consecutive lines is 1 meter. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter. Similarly, they are placing flower pots. This is 1 meter, this is also 1 meter, like that they have told. Okay, from each other along AD. As shown in figure, Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD. Just tell me, let us say this is Niharika. So how much distance in y-axis she has covered? Actually, total distance will be 100 meter because they are putting 100 flower pots. How many flower pots they are putting? Say with me, it is 100. And what is 1/4 of 100? So she has covered 1/4 distance of it. So here I am finding 1/4 of 100. It will be 25. So this point will be 25. Okay, and in so in y-axis she has covered 25. Let us say what is coordinate for this point. In x-axis she has covered 2, in y-axis she has covered 25. So for Niharika it is 2, 25. The second line and on the second line and post a green flag. So she has placed a green flag here. Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line of the and post a red flag. So just there is a Preet, there is one more girl, Preet. So what is coordinate of this point? As you can see, she has run 1/5 of the distance. So total distance in y-axis it was 100. So she has run 1/5 of 100. When we will solve, we will get it 20. Meaning in y-axis she has covered 20 and in x-axis she has covered 8. So its coordinate is going to be 8, 20. Okay. What is the distance between both the flags? Now they are asking distance between these 2 points. I hope by distance formula you can easily find what is distance between these 2 points. Considering this point as x1, y1, considering this point as x2, y2, you can simply apply distance formula, which will be root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So I don't think that it is needed to explain. You can easily apply distance formula. Just you have to try. If you are having doubt, then you can again ask it to me. Okay, so what is the distance between both the flags? So I hope you can find. If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the 2 flags. So there is one more girl, Rasmi. So she has to place one more flag that will be equidistant from both the points, because they are saying exactly halfway in the middle of these 2 points. Rasmi has to flag one more flag. So where should she post her flag? So now we have to see one more concept, that is concept of midpoint. Just imagine, just look at the figure. Okay, look here. There is a point A and we are having one more point B, and this point C we have to find, which is exactly in midway. Meaning if I am finding distance AC and distance BC, they both are going to be equal. That is the meaning of midpoint, no? So in place of AC, I am putting BC. So just look, it will be BC by BC. After cancelling, it will give 1 by 1. So the ratio we are having 1 by 1. Okay, so let's say the point A is x1 comma y1, simple. Point B is x2 comma y2, and this point C is x comma y. Now what is formula for x comma y? It is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Let us close it in bracket. Okay, so this equal sign should be here. Just gap is I am not having that much space, so ignore that thing. Okay, so what is value of x? Let us say mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. What is value of m? Just look at the figure. It is 1. So 1 into x2 will be x2. What is value of n? It is 1. So 1 into x1 will be x1. M plus n. 1 plus 1, it is going to be 2. Similarly, you will find value of y. It will come y2 plus y1 by 2. So the value of x comma y will be x2 plus x1 by 2. In addition, we can follow commutative law. So we can write x1 plus x2 by 2 in place of x2 plus x1. That will be easy to learn. Similarly, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now we are having the formula for midpoint. Okay, so let us apply the formula for midpoint here. Considering this point as x1 comma y1, this point as x2 comma y2. Look here, we are applying formula for midpoint. So I am solving it directly. I am not writing the formula one more time. Just tell me what is value of x1. It is 2 plus what is value of x2? It is 8 by 2 comma y1, it is 25, y2, it is 20 by 2. Let us solve. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 2, it is 5. 25 plus 20, it will be 45 by 2. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 3, but you have to solve it properly in your note. On Wednesday I am going to check it. Okay, so just try to solve this problem in your note and don't note down any of the things. If you want, you can note down the midpoint formula. You can prove it also, no? By your side you can easily prove it. There is nothing hard in that. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us move in another question. Move to another question. Okay, so we are having one more question with us, which is our question number 4. Now they are saying find the ratio in which line segment joining these 2 points is divided by -1,6. On Saturday we have seen one question of this type. I hope you all have already solved it. If not, just look at this. There is a point A which is -3, 10. One more point B which is 6, -8. The line segment which is joining them. Okay, let us change my pencil color. Let us make it white. Okay, so the line joining both of them, A and B, this point is -1,6. They have already said. We have to find this ratio. So let us say the ratio m by n is k:1. So I have already told you the less variable, the number of if the number of variable is less, then we have to calculate less. Okay, we can solve it by taking m and n. Then we have to make 2 linear equations and we have to solve them as well. But if I am taking the ratio as k:1, then only in one step we can find our answer. And always remember, if you are solving less, you are calculating less by any approach, then chances of making error is also less. If you are following a method in which you have to calculate lot of things, then it is quite obvious that you can make lot of mistakes. Okay, so let us solve it. So tell me what is value of x1, y1. I hope it is easier for you now. It will be -3, 10. What is value of x2, y2? So it is 6, -8. Can you tell what is value of m? Let's say it is k. Value of n, it is 1. Directly we have to apply the formula. X comma y is equal to, write the formula again and again so that it should be in your mind. Say with me, what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Let us close this in bracket. So let me tell you one joke, okay, to make the atmosphere of classroom very lightly. So there was one fight between one math teacher and one history teacher. So history teacher told, don't argue with me, I will send Mughals army on you. So the math teacher told, I am not worried about it. Whenever you will send the army, I will close them in the brackets. Okay, so let us solve it. So the value of x comma y, it is minus 1 comma 6. Now don't laugh please. I know I am very funny. Please ignore that. Just focus on your studies. Okay, so what is value of m? As you can see, it is k. The value of x2, you can see it is 6. Yes, just focus, please focus. Value of n, it is 1. Value of x1, you can see it is minus 3. This negative number I will keep in bracket. Value of m, it is k. Value of n, it is 1. Now what is value of m? Just tell me. It is k. Value of y2, this value of y2 is minus 8. Let us keep this in bracket so that I am not making any calculation mistake. Plus n, you can see it is 1. The value of y1, just compare from it. After comma y1 is written and after comma 10 is written. Although I have made the bracket, but no need to keep positive number in bracket. If you want, you can keep it. It will not create any impact. The value of m is k, the value of n is 1. Let us close in bracket just like Mughals army. Okay, so now let us solve it a bit. Minus 1 comma 6. So what is k into 6? It is 6k. What is 1 into minus 3? It is minus 3 upon k plus 1. Okay, so minus 8 into k. Minus 8k plus 10 into 1 is 10. Those who are not focusing on board, they will be closed in bracket class tomorrow. I will see you in the class. Okay, so let us compare. What is before comma? It is minus 1. And this side, it is 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1. Now it is quite simple to solve now. Just do cross multiplication. Let us multiply these two and let us multiply these two. So this minus 1 will be multiplied in k plus 1. Don't think only k will go there in multiplication. Learn transposition properly. And that 1 will be multiplied in 6k minus 3. Minus 1 into k, it is minus k. Minus 1 into 1, it is minus 1. 1 into 6k, it will be 6k. 1 into minus, it is minus 3. Simple transposition work is there. This minus 3, I am sending it here. It will come in plus. Minus 1 is there. This minus k I am sending here. It will be plus k. Let us solve it. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6k plus k is 7k. What is value of k? Just tell it loudly. It is, okay, it is not appearing like k. Now it is, okay, 2 by 7. So what was our desired ratio? It was k is to 1. What is value of k? 2 by 7 by 1. Solve it, you will get 2 by 7. So our desired ratio is 2 is to 7. On Saturday we have seen one problem like this, no? So just you can solve it. Try it once by your side, pause the video and try it once by your side. If you are unable to solve, then take help from the this written part. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us move on next question. Okay, so now I am having question number 5. Find the ratio in which line segment divided by x-axis. So today this is the last question which we are going to see. Just rest 5 question is your homework for today. So today go home and solve rest 5 question. Tomorrow we are going to discuss that. So that is the last question that we are discussing today. Find the ratio in which the line segment 1 comma minus 5 minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis. Look, just try to think it. They are not giving any coordinate which is dividing it. They are simply saying they are divided by x-axis. Just imagine there are coordinate axes. It is little bit tilted, please ignore my handwriting, I am not habitual of it, and you don't like in handwriting but as it is of mine. आप लोग पास भी नहीं होगे फिर तो, मैं तो हो गया. Find the ratio in which line segment joining point A 1, -5. So can you tell me 1, -5 in which quadrant it should lie? Yes, try to figure out. Okay, as you can see, x is positive, y is negative. X right side it is positive and downward y is negative. Yes, it is going to be in 4th quadrant. So 1, -5. And one more point, -4, -5. Here x is negative and y is positive. So somewhere here, let's say it is -4, -5. And there is a line which is joining, okay, I missed it, which is joining both the points. So there is a point on x-axis. Do you know what should I take coordinates? Take coordinates of this point. Last day we have seen one question like this. The value of x we can see, but value of y it is, I am sure that value of y is going to be 0. Okay, so let us say the desired ratio is k:1. So let us do one thing, write the value of x1, y1. Because I have taken k this side, so I am taking -4, 5, this is 5 as x1, y1. So -4, 5 as x1, y1. I am taking x2, y2 as 1, -5, and our ratio is k:1. The desired point x, y is now x, 0, the dividing point. Okay, so let us apply the formula one more time. X, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1. Always say formula with me, you have to learn. By m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, so let us put the values. What is x, y? It is x, 0. Okay, what is value of m? As you can see, it is k. Value of x2, it is 1, plus value of n, it is 1. Value of x1, it is -4. So negative number I am always keeping in bracket to avoid any kind of mistake. M plus n, k plus 1. M, the value of m is k. y2 it is -5, plus n, it is 1. y1 it is 5. Yes, say with me, upon m plus n. M is k, n is 1. So now just look, if you are comparing the x part, meaning the thing which is written before comma, I am having something here, x, I am not having any particular value here, that value we have to find. So how to solve it? Okay, so let us do one thing. First we are going to compare the thing which is after comma. As you can see, it is 0 in left hand side, and in right hand side, let us solve it. -5 into k, it is -5k, plus 5 into 1 is 5 upon k plus 1. Let us do cross multiplication. As you know, there is 1 in denominator of every number, so k plus 1 will go in 0, it will give 0. 1 in -5k, so -5k plus 5. This -5k will go this side at 5k is equal to 5. 5 and 5 is cancelled. The value of k is 1. So the value of k I am knowing, but there is no need to find k now. They are saying find this coordinate. So let us say so now we are going to compare the things which are before comma. In left hand side it is x. In right hand side, k into 1 will be k. 1 into -4 will be -4 upon k plus 1. Let us put the value of k here. K is 1. 1 minus 4 upon 1 plus 1. 1 minus 4 is -3. 1 plus 1 is 2. So don't just, this figure is for reference only. Don't think, sir, you have said that on right hand side of origin the value of x is going to be positive, and as you can see we are having a negative value, so that is not the exact figure. Just take a graph paper and you try to draw exact figure. Somewhere here you will get the point, and this line will be shifted somewhere here like that. Okay, so the point is -3, 2. So our desired coordinate was x comma 0, the value of x is minus 3 by 2, comma the value of y is 0. So this is the desired points what are required. So student, please do one thing, don't ignore the examples, just try to solve them as well. And tomorrow I am going to check your note. It should be correct, it should be completed up to 5th question of exercise 7.2. And one more thing, the next 5 questions you are going to try. I will see where you have tried. Okay, till then, thank you all. Let us meet you tomorrow.